You'll have love at first sight with the 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning. Introducing the Ford F-150 Lightning, a revolutionary electric truck that combines legendary toughness with modern innovation. This powerhouse features an all-electric powertrain that delivers exceptional performance and impressive range. With advanced technology, a spacious and comfortable interior, and a rugged yet sleek design, the F-150 Lightning is built for those who demand power and sustainability. Experience the future of driving with the Ford F-150 Lightning, where strength meets efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, premium sound system, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated front seat, heated mirrors. Embrace the next generation of driving and treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.